Hello everyone. Welcome to latest update program. The topic of discussion is Bhargavastra. This topic relates to science and technology section of the UPSC CSE syllabus. Recently, India has successfully tested the Bhargavastra, a low-cost anti-drone system developed by Solar Defense and Aerospace Limited, SDAL. The successful trials at the Seaward Firing Range in Gopalpur are hailed as a significant advancement in counter-drone warfare, particularly addressing the growing threat posed by drone swarms in modern conflicts like Operation Sindoor. Before moving further, an important announcement. The offline batch of the IAS Foundation course, Prelims plus Mains, has started at Drishti IAS, Noida. Admissions are now open for both the English medium and Hindi medium batches. For more details, contact 87501-87501. Now let's discuss about Bhargavastra. It is equipped with guided micro-munitions, capable of targeting and destroying small drones at a range of up to 2.5 kilometers, with radar detection extending to 6 kilometers. It employs micro-rockets to accurately target and neutralize incoming drones, particularly those flying in swarms. The Bhargavastra system employs a two-tiered approach. The first layer uses unguided micro-rockets with a 20-meter lethal radius to counter mass drone swarms. The second layer consists of precision-guided micro-missiles, validated independently for accurate targeting of high-value or evasive drones. The system is designed to function across India's diverse geographies, from desert plains to high-altitude mountain regions up to 5,000 meters, making it versatile in different battle scenarios. It can target autonomous drone swarms, which are typically resistant to electronic jamming or spoofing techniques. Now is the time for practice question. Which of the following statements are incorrect regarding the Bhargavastra anti-drone system? Bhargavastra can target autonomous drone swarms resistant to electronic jamming. 2. The system has a radar detection range of 6 kilometers. Teesri Bhargavastra can only operate in low-altitude areas. Options A, 3 only. B, 1 and 2 only. C, 2 only. D, 1 only. Send the answer for this question in the comment section. Thanks for watching.
For more informative content, like, share and subscribe, and do not forget to press the bell icon to get the notifications.